Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I am going to be planning for the month of October. For the month of October, I'm going to be doing Vlogtober. Vlogtober is usually a month where you vlog every day. It's based on videos being 3 to 10 minutes, just surrounding the topic of fall and Halloween. Doing things such as baking and cooking and fall and Halloween decorating. I start off with writing down the ideas that I have for the month of October and just planning. So first thing I do is open up Microsoft Word and create a table, basically a calendar for the month of October. And so I'm just going to be filling it in. Once that's done, I start typing in everything that I want to do for the month of October after looking at my video ideas and just things that I would like to do and make for Vlogtober. And I just go ahead and fill the calendar in. Normally, I start with Monday through Friday and leave the weekends for last. The only thing that I do is plan the first weekend because I want to make sure that I'm getting off to a great start. But like I said, I always leave the weekend open just in case there needs to be any changes. So this leaves room for in case I would like to change anything or alter or move things around. So as you guys can see here, I'm just going to fill in my calendar. I'm still working on the inside of it. Like I said, weekends are left last as you just never know if you need to change and switch things around. So I do go and look at my calendar and reflect back on the page that I printed off of ideas and things that I've written down. And then I eventually start to go ahead and cross things off. Some things I start to put a star next to just to make sure that I prioritize what I would like to do. And like I said, just start with the Monday through Friday, leaving the weekends open for any changes. Also, this is a good time to cross off anything that you won't be using or anything that you just don't want to do. So this is pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It is all filled out. The ones that have the 2 stars next to it are just the ones that I'm just not sure if I need to move around, but you can always move them around according to the way that you want it to be. So the days with the 2 little star marks are just more of ones that depend on what is happening. So pretty much after this, I go ahead and just print it off, and then I'll go based off of this, and then I will go ahead and start crossing off days once Vlogtober comes and seeing what else is left to vlog. So thanks for watching.